Welcome back to Torque Talk. In this video, I am doing a detailed breakdown of 4 car brands that are more reliable than Subaru, based on the 2025 Consumer Reports and J.D. Power reliability rankings. Subaru is known for its reliability, but these brands consistently score higher in long-term dependability, build quality, and owner satisfaction. 4. Honda, a legacy of longevity and reliability. When it comes to brands that consistently deliver reliable vehicles, Honda is a name that cannot be overlooked. For decades, Honda has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable and long-lasting car manufacturers, and in 2025, it remains firmly in the top tier of reliability rankings, surpassing even Subaru in key areas of durability and overall quality. At the heart of Honda's reliability lies its engineering philosophy, which emphasizes simplicity, durability, and efficiency. This approach is evident across the entire lineup, from compact sedans to family-friendly SUVs, and even in their performance-oriented models. Honda's vehicles are built to stand the test of time, with a proven track record of high mileage without major issues. One of the most iconic examples of Honda's dependability is the Honda Civic, a model that has long been celebrated for its ability to last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. The Honda Accord, another cornerstone of the brand, has also earned legendary status for its long-term durability, solid performance, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're buying a sedan, coupe, or hybrid version, the Accord has proven to be a model that owners can trust year after year, making it a strong contender against Subaru's offerings in the midsize sedan segment. On the SUV front, the Honda CR-V and Honda Pilot have established themselves as 2 of the most reliable and well-rounded vehicles in their categories. The CR-V, a compact crossover, competes directly with Subaru's Forester and Outback, and often outperforms these models in terms of long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. Its interior quality, fuel efficiency, and reputation for minimal mechanical issues make it a top choice for those looking for a dependable family vehicle. The Honda Pilot, on the other hand, offers a larger 3-row SUV option, competing with the Subaru Ascent. Despite being a larger vehicle with more complex systems, the Pilot maintains impressive reliability, even as it carries a larger weight and offers more technology. The Pilot has fewer issues with its drivetrain and electronics than the Ascent, making it a more trustworthy choice for long-term ownership. A standout feature of Honda's reliability is the brand's focus on engine and transmission quality. Honda has built a strong reputation for creating engines that can easily go the distance, and their automatic transmissions are known for their smoothness and longevity. This is especially important considering Subaru's AWD systems, which, while excellent in certain terrains, are often more prone to mechanical problems, particularly in the long term. Additionally, Honda vehicles consistently have lower cost of ownership figures. Whether it's lower repair costs, less frequent repairs, or better fuel efficiency, Honda outperforms Subaru in overall affordability. This includes the brand's ability to hold its value well over time, which is another reason many buyers opt for a Honda over a Subaru. 3. Mazda. Understated, overachieving, and ultra-reliable. Mazda often flies under the radar in conversations about top-tier car brands, but for those in the know, Mazda is one of the most reliable automakers in the industry. And yes, even more reliable than Subaru. In Consumer Reports' 2025 rankings, Mazda consistently earns a spot in the top 3 for brand-wide reliability, standing shoulder to shoulder with Toyota and Lexus. But what makes Mazda so dependable? Mazda's strategy focuses on simplicity and engineering excellence. While other car makers jump on every emerging trend or complicated tech feature, Mazda refines its core strengths: responsive handling, robust engines, and quality craftsmanship. That focus pays off. With fewer moving parts, fewer unnecessary features, and a commitment to long-term usability, Mazda vehicles suffer from fewer breakdowns and enjoy longer lifespans. Take the Mazda 3 compact sedan and hatchback. These models have ranked among the most reliable small cars for years. Owners consistently report minimal issues even after 100,000 plus miles. The Mazda CX-5, the brand's best-selling SUV, is another standout. It competes directly with the Subaru Forester, but beats it in reliability, driving dynamics, and interior refinement. According to recent long-term surveys, the CX-5 experienced fewer transmission, electrical, and infotainment problems than its Subaru counterpart. What's unique about Mazda is that it delivers a luxury-like experience without luxury brand headaches. Models like the Mazda CX-50 and Mazda 6 feature upscale interiors, refined styling, and responsive steering that rivals some European brands, yet they're easier and cheaper to maintain. They use Skyactiv engines, which are naturally aspirated and precisely engineered for efficiency, longevity, and performance. All without the complexity of turbochargers or CVTs, both of which have been problem areas for Subaru in the past. Mazda also has an edge in fit and finish. While Subaru interiors tend to be more utilitarian, Mazda cabins are classy, minimalist, and more upscale, even in base trims. From the soft-touch materials to the intuitive infotainment system, Mazda's interior quality has been compared to Acura or even Audi, but without the costly maintenance. Another area where Mazda outpaces Subaru is driving enjoyment combined with reliability. Mazda engineers don't just want their cars to last, they want them to be fun to drive. Their cars are more engaging than Subaru's, especially in cornering, steering feedback, and road feel. Yet despite the performance, they remain dependable and cost-efficient to own. 2. Lexus, where luxury meets legendary dependability. Lexus, the luxury arm of Toyota, blends upscale refinement with the same no-nonsense reliability Toyota is known for. It's one of the few luxury brands that consistently beats not only its premium rivals like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, but also more mainstream brands like Subaru in terms of long-term reliability. What sets Lexus apart is its ability to deliver premium features without compromising durability. In 2025, Consumer Reports and J.D. Power once again awarded Lexus the highest scores for luxury brand dependability. The Lexus RX, ES, and GX are standout performers, often topping their respective categories in customer satisfaction and reliability. Much like Toyota, Lexus is methodical in its engineering. New technologies are thoroughly tested and refined before being introduced to production vehicles. This careful approach means fewer bugs, fewer service recalls, and much better overall longevity. Take the Lexus RX as an example. It has been a best-selling luxury SUV in the US for years. Owners praise its smooth ride, upscale interior, and most importantly, its trouble-free ownership experience. The RX often goes well beyond 250,000 miles with routine maintenance, something few luxury SUVs can claim. Lexus also offers hybrid variants that follow in Toyota's footsteps. The Lexus ES 300h and RX 500h are excellent choices for those who want both luxury and fuel savings without sacrificing dependability. Where many luxury brands struggle with complicated electronics, turbocharged engines, and dual-clutch transmissions, Lexus opts for naturally aspirated engines, reliable CVTs, and simplified infotainment systems that just work. This strategy results in far fewer trips to the dealership for repairs, a major bonus in the luxury space. Moreover, Lexus vehicles retain value well. Depreciation is less steep than competitors, which is rare in the luxury market. Combined with excellent build quality and lower than average repair costs, Lexus stands as the most cost-effective luxury brand available. Ultimately, if you're in the market for a luxury vehicle that won't come with high repair bills or electronic headaches, Lexus should be your top choice. It outperforms Subaru in both the mainstream and luxury categories by offering unmatched reliability wrapped in a refined package. 1. Toyota, the gold standard of automotive reliability. When it comes to vehicle reliability, Toyota has carved out a reputation that few automakers can rival. For decades, Toyota has been synonymous with durability, dependability, and low ownership costs. In 2025, Consumer Reports and J.D. Power once again placed Toyota at or near the top of their annual reliability and dependability rankings, reinforcing its status as a brand you can trust, often outperforming Subaru in key areas. What makes Toyota so reliable? It comes down to engineering philosophy. Toyota emphasizes proven technology over trendy innovation. Rather than being the first to adopt new tech, Toyota perfects it behind the scenes before introducing it into mass production. This conservative approach significantly reduces the likelihood of design flaws or mechanical problems. It's one reason why Toyota's engines and transmissions are regarded as some of the most bulletproof in the industry. One of Toyota's standout models is the Toyota Corolla, a compact sedan that has served as a benchmark for reliability for over 50 years. Owners frequently report surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. The Toyota Camry follows closely behind, offering mid-size comfort with legendary dependability. Then there's the Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that has been dominating sales charts due to its mix of fuel efficiency, reliability, and practicality. Toyota's commitment to hybrid technology also deserves praise. The Toyota Prius was the pioneer of mainstream hybrid vehicles, and its powertrain continues to be among the most reliable in the industry. Today, nearly every Toyota model offers a hybrid variant, with models like the Camry Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, and Sienna Hybrid proving to be efficient and long-lasting alternatives to gas-only vehicles. Another strength of Toyota is low cost of ownership. Thanks to fewer unexpected repairs and high resale values, owning a Toyota tends to be far more affordable over time compared to many competitors, including Subaru. In terms of safety, Toyota is also ahead of the curve. The brand's Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, is standard across most of the lineup, offering added peace of mind. In short, Toyota continues to lead the industry in dependability. If you want a vehicle that will serve you reliably for 10-15 years without draining your wallet, Toyota remains the top choice, even above Subaru. Subaru is certainly a solid brand, known especially for all-wheel drive and safety, but when it comes to sheer reliability, Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, and Honda continue to outperform. Whether you're shopping for a compact commuter, a family SUV, or even an entry-level luxury vehicle, these four brands are worth strong consideration if long-term dependability is a priority.